Instagram has added a new cool feature that lets you watch Instagram Reels in 2x speed. Basically, now you can fast forward videos just like in TikTok. Wanna know how? I'll show you. So firstly, we need to open Instagram and then take a look at the bottom of the screen. Here you should see this little video icon which is for Reels. Just click on it and you will see all of your videos. Now to fast forward video, you gotta just press and hold an edge of the screen. Just tap, for example, on the right side, but not too far from the screen. So just press on the edge, and on the bottom you can see press edge to fast forward. Press again, and you should see 2x speed information now. So the video will be played in 2x speed. You can also tap left bottom side, for example, of your screen and it still be working, but try to avoid this area with buttons because you can accidentally like the video or leave a comment and it simply will not work if you try to tap here. Just press the top panel or the bottom edge of the screen, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. This could be really useful if you are watching really long video, for example. If something's not working right, then the first thing you need to do is you need to go in App Store and check if you are updated to the latest version, because this feature is in a new update. So go ahead and open App Store, search for Instagram, and make sure to update the app. If you are updated, but you still cannot find this feature, maybe it's unavailable or simply missing, then what else you can do is go in Settings, click General, tap iPhone Storage and scroll all the way down to the Instagram. Here we need to click Offload App to clear its cache. With this way, the app will be reinstalled and this feature will appear in your Instagram. If you are using an Android phone, then just go in Settings, find your Instagram app and find button Clear Cache. Now tap Reinstall and check if the feature appeared in the app. If it didn't help, then the last thing we can do is we can reinstall the app itself. So just press and hold its icon, click Remove App, and then tap Delete. Then just go in App Store and reinstall it back. That's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.